Hi guys, today I'm going to review XM Statue Aquaman. Without further review, let's check it out. First, we got this diorama. This is made from the polystone. Please look at this. Here. And actually, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, look at the XM. Make sure to always read how to open and put it together, so you're not gonna misplace it because it's very dangerous. Oh yeah, so you want to know what's inside look. So this is actually what is powerful. First, we'll put this sticker. I believe it's clean here. Okay. Oh, actually, it's here. Then here. The fish. Oh, here it is. There we go. No. Fill in here, and what else is there? Let's see. The next step is the mat selection. It's so heavy. This is so it's a metallic for the joint connector, so you should be fine and you don't need to worry about it, but it's pretty heavy and pretty strong. And it's set to basically from Aquaman XM from DC Rebirth, I believe, from the comic. The Aquaman, you will put the Aquaman in here. There is this thing, the connector that you will put it, so it will be connected just like that. And what else we got? Let's see what's next. Okay, so this thing in here, I'm gonna put it in here. Let me save. Just be careful when you remove it, because it's pretty dangerous. Okay, just like that. And also, now the hand. hand of holding the weapon. So this is like when he's ready to draw his weapon. It's like this. Wow! So it's magnetic. Magnetic here. And next, gonna put it around while holding the horse. The material itself from the cane, from metal cane, so it's pretty safe. Done. And oh, what's this? What's this way? Where is, guys? Can you tell me? Where should I put this? If you know, please help in the comments. Where's this part? Anyway, I will put it away. Let me see. Actually. Oh, in here. Next thing is we have two hair scopes from XM. I'm gonna show you, like, he gave us first the hair like this one. Okay, another one is this one. This is, I think, like the one in the water when his hair a little bit longer. And this one like his regular hair. This one here. Just like that. And here it is. XM Aquaman from XM. This earring bird. Okay. And let's see. Just look at this. So marvelous, the detail. Everything. Tunggu. Okay, thank you guys. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and see you on next video. Make sure you guys watch it, like it, subscribe it, and enjoy the show, and see you on the next episode. Bye bye. Peace.